In this tutorial, we're going to create a product in ZKart. First things first, click Product on the left. Once you arrive at this dashboard, you'll click on the plus sign to create a product. This will bring you to the screen where you select which funnel to put your product in. Then click Next. From here, you'll choose whether it's a digital product, like a course or something you're selling online, or a physical product, like a book or something that you'll ship. Click Confirm, and here's where you'll put your product info. This will automatically create a checkout page URL, and in the description you can enter whatever information you'd like. We're just going to put filler text for the purpose of the demonstration, and you're going to want to choose your product logo here. Once you choose your logo, you're going to crop it down so that it fits within the square, and click Crop. Once it says your file has been uploaded, you're going to click Save and Next. From here, you're going to set up your payment processors. From here, we're going to click the blue button that says Set Up Payment Processors, and we're going to select which ones we want to activate. I'm going to use Stripe for credit card processing, and I'm going to pick the PayPal account that is linked to the same bank and email address, and click Save Payment Processors. You'll notice an indicator letting you know they're set up, and just wait for a moment, and the screen will refresh and show that they're active. Then you click Save and Next. From here, this is where you're going to go in and set up all your pricing, and I'll go in depth on each of these in the next video, but for this purpose, I'm just going to set up a simple price. And right here, I'm going to use one-time payment, and you can select if it's a limited quantity. Obviously, if it's a digital product, you may want to leave it open. If it's a physical product, you may want to set the quantity. And over here, it'll show you what your buyer is going to be charged. Click the blue Save button. Now, if you have to charge sales tax, you'll go ahead and click on this and edit all of that in here. But for this digital product, I will not charge tax. And if you want to customize the invoice for your customer, you'll click Edit. And this is where you're going to show what they receive as far as an invoice afterwards. So I'm going to put in here, thank you for your purchase. Thankfully, I have Grammarly to help me with my misspellings. Down here, you'll put your company address. Please pay attention to your state and local government laws as regard to what you have to put on an invoice. And this it will automatically put your profile image on this by default. If you want to change that, what you want to do is click on choose an image, and then you can go in here and put something else. I'm going to just choose, and then I'll just crop it down. Notice it's a horizontal image. You can choose to show or hide the support contact info, as well as being able to download the invoice as a PDF. If you don't want that to show up, you can simply uncheck these boxes. Now, in the footer text, though, this will tell you if you need support, use the link above. So if you aren't going to have your support info there, make sure you remove it. Next, click Save. The next thing we're going to do is click Save and Next, and this will bring us to what's called the order bump. This will show up, and what this is designed to be is a slight increase in price, so something that's easy to say yes to. So I sold a $99 product. I'm going to say get access to my exclusive Facebook mastermind for only, we'll say $27. Down here, I'm going to say, yes, give me access. Special training access, $27. And down here, I'll say 6-week mastermind training. Next. Now, if you set up affiliates, this is where you choose what their commissions and everything are. But for this video, we're going to go ahead and just click Save and Next. Now, if you're going to embed this on a third-party site, an HTML website that you're building, some other website, CMS, WordPress, things like that, you'll copy this code. You can do that simply by clicking Copy Code. But if you're going to utilize the funnel and you're going to utilize X funnels, we're going to click Next. On this page, you're going to notice a gigantic selection of beautiful checkout forms. I mean, absolutely gorgeous forms. Now let's just click on one of these really quick, and we will click Next. Now in this form, this is where you can customize things. You'll notice if you mouse over the blocks, you'll notice it'll open up something when you click on it. But as you mouse over them, the ones that are editable will have a blue box around them. So you can change the text in any of those just by clicking on it. You can add a logo here, a header image at the top. It shows you exactly what dimensions to use. Down here just shows all these things like the product that you've got in there, all the things that you've added, just so you know what it looks like. You can update the terms of the sale by clicking in there. But we're just going to go ahead and click Save and Next. And then this will bring you to your thank you page. This will show the logo image you uploaded here. Again, you can edit this just by clicking on it. This shows the product name. And down below, you can click in here and edit any of this text. Then click Save and Next. Now this will bring you to where you can edit your tracking services and integrations. This is where you'll paste in your header codes for your Facebook pixel, Google, things like that. Click Next. And it'll tell you everything's been saved successfully. And this will bring you to the final thing after a purchase. This is where you're going to put your support email address and decide what happens after the sale. So I'm just going to put mine in here. I'm going to put matt@mintware.ventures. Now, if you want to put an IPN URL, you can put that at the bottom. Or up here, you'll notice choose post-purchase options. If you leave it blank, it'll just end at the screen that's the thank you page. Or you can send them to a custom URL. Or you can send them to the next product in your funnel. If you've got another product, you select a different product and send them there. When you're done, just hit Save. You'll notice at the top it tells you it's been successfully completed, and now we've got a product. And that's how easy it is to create your product and funnel in ZKart.